welcomed the arrival back home of 19 South Africans who had been stuck in Gaza. South Africa extends its gratitude to the government of Egypt for granting our citizens safe passage through the Rafah crossing into its country.
Ntshabeni uthi basazama ukubheka ukuthi abekho yini abanye abasavaleleke eMiddle East.
We are working with our teams in there and also the other agencies, relief agencies, including the UN, to find if there are other South Africans that are within Gaza.
Iyaqhubeka ke nemizamo yokubuyisa abantu bakuleli abagcine sebezibandakanya neIsrael belwisana namaHamas nongahambisani nomthethosisekelo wakuleli.
You already aware that there were those who were participating with the Israeli Defense Forces, which is in violation of our laws. And if they want to come back into the country, we'll also work to make sure that they come back into the country.
Ikhabhinethi likwemukele ukuthunyelwa komthethosivivinywa iNational State Enterprise Bill ePhalamende. Lo mthethosivivinywa uzovumela ukuthi kusungulwe inkampani yombuso ezoqapha ukusebenza kwamabhizinisi ombuso ukuze enze inzuzo.